What in the world is going on here?
I have to go and
How many boxes did you get?
Camden did it.
Oh, nice boxes.
Oh my God, what are you
They're
doing?
nice boxes.
He's outsmarting you. Yeah.
Careful, there's a lot in there.
There is?
Oh, come on.
Whoa. Okay.
Look at that.
All right, were we gonna ever
Mommy,
get
does
to
it
it?
say anything?
Yep.
It does.
Read it to mommy.
What? Stop it. Stop
What
it!
did the note say?
What does it say?
What did the note say?
Pull up the note.
Ah.
What did it say?
What?
What?
Can't read it.
Oh, I can't say it out loud! Oh,
God.
I know.
Oh, look at these crying.
oh my God!
Oh.
Jacqueline Patricia Brown, will you marry us?
Of course they will. Oh my God!
Oh, it's too bad Jen couldn't have been here.
Yeah.
Love you, mommy.
Oh my God! How did you do that?
Oh, good.
Oh,
Kim.
Yes,
should have told me I wouldn't wear pajama pants. Oh my God!
Oh
It's
my
beautiful.
God. I'm glad I'm home for this. You
It's
know?
so perfect. Where did you? Oh my God! How in the world did you keep this from me?
How did I keep this from you?
Oh,
Okay.
you guys are
Not
married.
everyone.
Oh my
Not
God!
everyone.
Did you know?
I didn't know.
Oh my God! Did you know?
No.
I didn't know. I know.
Mom, your dad.
Just think
Right,
about
and then
it.
someone
I
talked
know,
to me
I
about the
couldn't
other night, and I
tell
was
you.
like, Craig, she knows. She totally knows.
Oh my God! I'm shaking.
See, she was confused when she read this.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe it!
Craig, does your mom know?
Yes.
Yeah.
I cannot
She was with me.
believe it.
Jackie, Jackie,
Oh.
show it over here.
I'm gonna throw up.
Hey, can you hold your hand steady?
I can't.
Oh